Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech troubleshooting channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Netgear Nighthawk routers. That frustrating blinking red light. If your router is flashing red in 2025, it usually signals a problem like a power issue, internet connectivity trouble, or even a firmware glitch. Don't worry. I'll walk you through simple, step-by-step fixes that can get your router back up and running in no time. First things first, let's understand what the red light means. It's often an alert for errors, so troubleshooting starts with the basics. Step 1. Check your power source. Ensure the router is plugged into a stable outlet and that the power cord is securely connected. Sometimes, a loose connection is the culprit. If everything looks good, unplug the router, wait for 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This simple restart can resolve minor glitches. Next, inspect your cables. Make sure the Ethernet cables connecting your router to the modem or devices are intact and properly seated. A faulty cable can cause the red light to blink, so try swapping them out if possible. Now, let's move to the software side. Log into your router's web interface, usually by typing the router's IP address into your browser, and check for firmware updates. Outdated firmware is a frequent problem, so download and install any available updates. This might take a few minutes, but it's crucial for smooth operation. If that doesn't work, perform a factory reset. Locate the reset button on the back of your router, press and hold it for about 10 seconds until the lights flash, then release. Remember, this will erase your custom settings, so you'll need to reconfigure everything afterward. Finally, if none of these steps fix the issue, it could be a hardware problem. Contact Netgear support or consider professional help. There you have it. Easy fixes for your Nighthawk router's blinking red light. I hope this helps. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay connected, and see you next time.